Welcome back to Live from the Camper. My name's Tony, and today we're making Tuscan Chicken Pasta. Michelle's like, hey, I'm going to move for a pasta dish. So we started cruising on the information highway, and we found this Tuscan Chicken Pasta recipe that looked amazing. So we're going to make it for you right now. Are you ready? Good. Let's get cooking. Here's all the ingredients you need for your Tuscan chicken pasta. Don't worry, it's all going to be down in the description box below. And while you're looking down there, go ahead and hit that little red button down there and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell, bing, so you know when my new videos come out. And come on over to our Facebook group. It's called the Ninja Foodi Instapot Universe. There, we share all of our tips, tricks, ideas, recipes, all the deliciousness that we're all making. So come on over and check us out. Well, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and get that Ninja Foodi nice and hot. So hit the sear saute function and give it about 10 minutes. And it's nice and hot. So let's go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Let's drop in a tablespoon of minced garlic. Now, you don't want to cook it too long. We just want to flavor the oil. Now I have 1 pound of chicken breast that I cut up into bite-sized pieces. It's roughly 2 pieces. Roughly. Now let's spread the chicken out. Let's put in 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. And about a half a teaspoon of black pepper. We'll salt and pepper to taste later. Now we're not cooking the chicken all the way through. We're just going to get it white on all sides. Let's go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. A teaspoon of Italian seasoning. A teaspoon of dry basil, half a teaspoon of onion powder, tablespoon of garlic powder. Yes, more garlic. It's Italian. You can never have enough garlic. And half a teaspoon of red pepper flake. Ooh, can you smell that, Michelle?
Yes. Smells so delicious.
Yeah, it does. Now let's drop in 2 tablespoons of butter. Now let's drop in half a cup of diced onion. The onion looks funny because it was frozen, but it still tastes delicious. Let's stir all that together now. Now that it's getting all thick and bubbly, let's drop in 4 cups of chicken broth and another 1/4 cup of chicken broth. Now get your pasta of choice, dump it in. Let's move it around so it all gets covered by the liquid. Now let's go ahead and put our pressure lid on, set it to seal, and we're going to pressure cook for 5 minutes. All right, the timer's gone off. Let's do a quick release. Smells like Tuscan pasta and snuggles from the towel. Now, while you're waiting for this to do its quick release, go ahead and get 1 package of cream cheese and cut it up into pieces like this. A half a cup of heavy cream. A cup and a half of Parmesan cheese. We're going to use 3 ounces of sun-dried tomatoes. We like the smoked kind, because remember you put that smoked paprika in there, and then you add the sun-dried tomatoes that are smoked? Man, that tastes fantastic. And then about 4 ounces of baby spinach. We don't like adult spinach. Not as tasty. You gotta eat the babies. Don't make eye contact.
I'm not. That's fine. It's not my
She's looking right at me. Oh my God, she's walking this way. If this old lady, this crazy lady over here, you don't hear from us in the next week, it's the crazy old lady with she has a skull and American flag tattoo on her leg, and her dress looks like something from 1970s, furniture throw. She has gray hair. Oh my God, she's coming over here. Everybody look this way. Everybody look this way. She's coming up by the window. Again, if you don't see us, we're at Thousand Trails, Orlando. What side are we at?
I don't know.
E65. Send help. All right, the red pins drop. Let's see what we got. Pasta. Let's give it a stir. Yeah, it does smell good. All right. Let's drop in that cream cheese. It's going to make it taste creamy and cheesy. Kind of like that joke. Now let's melt that cream cheese. All right, now that cream cheese is all melted, let's drop in that 1/2 cup of heavy cream, which is going to help thicken the sauce. Our 1.5 cups of Parmesan cheese. Oh heck, let's go ahead and drop in our sun-dried tomatoes because they're colorful. Last thing we'll do is drop in that spinach though. Now that sauce is all nice and thick, let's go ahead and drop in that spinach. It says 4 ounces. That's almost this whole bag. Now we're just going to stir this till the spinach wilts. Then we're going to plate it up and eat it up. It's time to try this bad boy. Get out your fine china. All right, I kept a couple of those sun-dried tomatoes out just so we can get a little extra color in there. Look at that. Chopped up one little piece of spinach. Give it a little extra greenery. And boom! Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? So now there's only one thing left to do. Let's try it. Oh, dang. Oh. There is so much flavor in that. So creamy and garlicky. You get the sweetness from the sun-dried tomatoes with a little bit of smoke. The chicken is super tender and flavorful. I mean, this is fantastic, guys. So I got one question for you. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Good. Let's eat. Oh, so creamy and cheesy.